my name's Danny. So I did a recipe from my husband who is in prison and they can only use with what they have. The food in there, food quality that they get, not the best quality. So when they get like stuff on commissary and baskets every few months, then they that's when they get some really good stuff that they can get, like bagels and honey mustard. They usually get like 4-ounce things of cheese. Me and my husband did this another time, making a chili mac, or a cheesy chili mac, but I didn't really get with the portion sizes. I added way too much cheese, so instead of on the phone and everything too, we decided to do it through text messaging. So he was messaging me instructions while he was also making himself a bagel, sausage, pepper jack, honey mustard concoction. I get like the regular, or I'm not sure what kind of wieners they have, but I got like a chicken, spinach, can't remember what cheese, but spinach and cheese, probably spinach and feta. Spinach and feta go with everything, but that's what I decided to go with. Keep forgetting what the camera is. My husband's making fun of me because he loves bacon and so he would like to put bacon on his. I'm like, I'm gonna go over to the store and get some bacon, and that was the one thing I forgot to grab at the store, so now he's just making fun of me right now, like, ha 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 ha. Knew I was forgetting something, but this video is for him. And now we get to eat dinner together, bagel sandwiches, and watch a movie. So I think this is really good to do for those that are in a prison relationship. If they want to do something different, and if they're able to do this, I think it's really great bond. So it's more of a normal, like a date, dinner in kind of night. And then when we're watching TV, then I'll have them on the phone sometimes, and we're making her own commentary, and it's like he's right there eating dinner next to me. So there, this is for you, and I love you, baby. Cringy kissing.